Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a deep clean with me. We are long overdue for a big deep clean of our house, kind of like a spring cleaning that we're going to be doing. I have pretty much kind of like organized and decluttered a little bit of the house, but I am going to be going into a lot more of dusting, cleaning, wiping down our bathrooms, the kitchen, kind of like a full house clean. So I always love that making these videos. They're really motivating and want to just show our whole process of how we deep clean our house. So as per usual, I have my coffee ready to go, ready for a good long day of cleaning. I go through every room in our house, our bedroom, guest room, both bathrooms, downstairs in the living room, kitchen, and our half bath down there. I think I'm going to wash our sheets and also just do some other organizing and picking up around the house. We're definitely needing to do a good clean of our bathrooms and kitchen. So I'm going to start with our bedroom, kind of go ahead and throw our sheets in the wash and then just kind of dust around here, wipe down our dresser, our tables, and do an overall clean of our room first. So first thing, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and take off our sheets. I washed these blankets not too long ago, so I don't think I need to wash those. I'll actually see, because these are darker sheets. They're like kind of like a tan color. We switched these out with a few other sets of white sheets and these like tan ones. So I might combine some of these things because like the pillowcases are white but the sheets are tan. We're probably due to wash our duvet as well. We switch out our sheets obviously pretty often, but we don't wash our duvet every time. Duvet cover. So here are those blankets and the quilt. And these are the sheets that are dirty. So I'm going to take our duvet cover and the pillowcases for our like sham pillows. And I think I'm going to actually throw the duvet in first, because it always takes longer and like longer to dry too. I am actually going to throw this blanket in there with it too. The laundry is in, so I'm just gonna do some dusting all around our bedroom. This is my makeup table. It gets pretty gross and like stained with stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down with just an all-purpose cleaner. Before I move to the bathroom, I do want to dust our closet a little bit. Time up for the bathroom, we need a full cleaning here. I'm going to dust Windex on the mirror, wipe down our counters or sinks, and just get everything clean in the bathroom. finished wiping down our counters and sinks in the bathroom, and now it's time to switch laundry. Our guest bedroom is usually fairly clean, but I'm going to go ahead and dust in here and wipe down the bathrooms a little bit. So finished wiping down the guest bathroom, and then we're coming back and doing the main shower. Moving on to our downstairs now, I'm going to be dusting everything in our living room, kitchen, dining room. I'm going to do that first, and then kind of picking up and reorganizing, making sure everything is cleaned up and tidy. Before I wipe anything down, I'm just going to finish dusting. So I'll be dusting the kitchen, and then I'll probably start wiping down and cleaning the kitchen, and then I'll go back through and wipe any of our like tables and stuff in the living room. So now I'm just going to get started here. We have some stuff that we need to put away, but for the most part we just need to do a good deep clean of all of these surfaces. We probably won't go into like the drawers and cabinets and stuff, but everything on the outside of our kitchen we're going to go ahead and clean. I'm moving over to our half bath downstairs, going to wipe everything down here, clean the toilet, the mirror, the sink. wash any of these dishes that were just kind of left in the sink, and then I'm going to do a quick scrub of our kitchen sink. So we just finished going through all of the downstairs, cleaned the living room, kitchen, bathrooms, wiped everything down. I just cleaned the sink. My husband helped me do all of the floors in the house. So we have everything back and put together. I organized everything and kind of like relaid out our pillows and the couch. So we definitely covered a lot with our deep cleaning today. It was great to do kind of a spring cleaning with every place in the house. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.